Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the homestead. So it's been a couple weeks since we did any videos, posted it. I've definitely been doing a lot of projects around here, continue to work and get things done. Like we got the sheep shack, not the sheep shack, the quack shack there moved. Got the sheep pen up and going. Cross fence is finished all the way along there. Main thing going on is we just haven't been, I haven't been doing video editing. We've been doing some other things. In the last 4 weeks we had, food poisoning, COVID, a tragic death of one of our farm animals, which we'll get into a little bit later, plus just some family events and that kind of stuff going on. So definitely still doing a lot of projects, getting things done, just not doing video editing. So in the next week or two, I'll probably be posting the videos, kind of debating on whether I should put them up or not, but figure I might as well put up poorly edited videos just to see what's going on than not put them up at all. So here in the next week or two, probably a lot of silent films going up with just time-lapse projects in the corner on fast forward next week or two. But after that, we'll get back into kind of how-tos and me defining or explaining myself on how I'm doing things and why I'm doing things. So appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hearing the update. Y'all come back now.